In this video, we're going to show you the install of WordPress on your domain. So I've just done it in my management at the back, and now I'm going to go through onto the proper URL for it. And then it's going to take me to the next step. As I've already clicked, I'll just move across to that. And what I'm going to look for is my country, which happens to be English and UK. So now I'm going to put in the site title and the username and the password and the email, and then I'll click install. If you don't want this site to be seen in Google, then click here to discourage the search engines from indexing it. There you go. All done, all logged in. So that's how you install WordPress on your domain. And now I can go and log in and see what to do next. So I've just gone to a digitaldiva.co.uk/wp-admin will actually give you this page, which will then redirect it. So now you need to put in who you are and your password, and it will log you in. Always a good idea to tell it to remember who you are. And now we have a clean WordPress to get going. Add in our themes, add in our menus, our posts, our pages. Before we do all that, we should really do a sitemap of what we want it to become. And then it makes it easier to create everything from adding your plugins, adding your theme, and of course your categories, tags, any media that you want to add to your library that you can do before you get going, and anything else that you want to get round to before you actually start adding content.